Hello, my name is Emma.
And I'm Marusha, and we're here to tell you a little bit about our school, the village that we live in our country.
First, we're going to tell you about our school. This is our school. Behind our school, there is a new kindergarten. It's brand new because we just built it. Our school is called Matija Valjavec Primary School.
In our school, there are 364 students and 84 employees. There are 346 students from Predvor, 33 students from Jezersko, and 6 students from Kukra. Those are the students from our branch schools. Because their schools are too small, they come to school to Predvor.
Now we're going to show you our football and basketball court.
This is our basketball court. Students come out here to play basketball when we have a break.
And this is our football court. Around it is a running track. We come here when we have PE classes.
And now we're going to show you the school from the inside.
This is the hall in which students wait until the teacher unlocks the door in the morning.
In this hall wait students that go into the ground floor.
This is the hall in which students it has 2 classrooms and a canteen.
If we go downstairs, there is the library, the janitor's room, and the computer classroom.
There is a second entrance where the first, second, and third grade go in to get to their classrooms.
Now we will go to the first floor.
This is the first floor. Here is the teacher's lounge and classrooms for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. There is also a classroom for chemistry. This school has got only one more floor, and that is the second floor.
This is the second floor. On the second floor go students that go into the 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th grades. Every classroom has the name of the class written on it so that students know where do they have their classes. There are 8 classrooms and here plus the kitchen.
Now we are going to show you our classroom break. This is our English classroom. I'm going to tell you about Predvor. In Predvor there are 829 people. Our postal number is 4205. Our statistical region is Gorenjska. Predvor is located in the northern part of Slovenia at the foothills of mountains and close to the Slovene-Austrian border. In Predvor we have a primary school, a kindergarten, health center, post office, pubs, shops, local offices, a church and a pharmacy. We also have castles. We have Castle Krip, Castle Dvor, Pusti Castle and Castle Kuro. We also have a tourist attraction, Lake Črnava. Lake Črnava is located in Predvor next to Hotel Bar.
Now let me tell you a little bit about our country. The capital of Slovenia is Ljubljana. Our flag is white, blue and red. On the left corner of our flag there is a coat of arms that represents the sea and our highest mountain, Triglav. There are also 3 stars. Our neighboring countries are Italy, Croatia, Hungary and Austria. There are many natural sites in Slovenia such as the Postojna cave. Slovenia has 2 million people. Our president is Danilo Turk and our total area is 20,273 square kilometers. Our water area is 0.7%. Slovenia is a member of the United Nations and the European Union.
ljubu vzela si svoj čas, a vem, da zame je obraz le tvoj, ki zbuja mi strasti, objime nižnosti. Malo, malo, malo še, malo, malo moja le, pusti, da povedal bi vse, kar si srci želi. Malo, malo, malo še, malo, malo moja le, vem, da je usojeno, skupaj nama lepše bo, čaka naju raj. Malo, malo, malo še, malo, malo moja le, vem, da je usojeno, skupaj nama lepše bo, čaka naju